Hello friends, welcome into Mud's Closet. It is time to start some seeds in zone 5. So I am starting with some onions for this first video. This one is a Burpee Countrywide hybrid and it's a purple onion. And I love purple onions, so I'm excited about those. And the other one that I'm going to put in this tray is a Northern Gold, and I'm not sure how that does. There are long day and short day onions and intermediate onions, etc., etc. So we'll see how those do, but where I live is considered the northern part of the United States. So what I'm planting in is a reused pie plate. It's very shallow, but it's going to be good for this purpose. We've done this before. I have seed starting mix that's been dampened with water in there. This is a very simple process. All I really need to do is get the onions started. And I'm doing this this year more seriously than I have in past years because onion sets have gotten so expensive. So I'm going to take one package of seeds and sprinkle them on this half. I can put these in pretty thickly because onions are very easy to separate. If I do get good germination, oh, that's almost all the packet. There's a couple of them stuck in there, but I think that's fine. And then I'm going to take the purple onions, which we love, love, love fresh, and do the same thing on this side. I'm just sprinkling them in, and then when it becomes the right time, I'll separate them out and get them in the ground. I think there's a few more in there, but I think that I have enough. Then I have more seed starting mix, and I'm just using Jiffy seed starting mix just because it's easily available and relatively expensive. And I'm just going to sprinkle it over the top and then press it down. And this is important because onion seeds need to be covered and they need to have contact with the soil in order to germinate. This is the first day, and I think it's March. This is terrible. 7th or 8th, I'm not sure what day it is. This is the first day that I've had my grow lights on. We're going to be getting the heating unit here on my growing shelf, and I'm going to start herbs and peppers. I think I'm a little bit early still for tomatoes. It's very hard to not plant them, but I'll do my best. And that's it. And we wait. Let me know if you've got any questions or if there's anything specific that you'd like to see. Please share this if you feel like it's useful, and subscribe if you want to know what comes next. Leave me a comment if there's something else you want to know, and hopefully I can help. Have a great day.